Hello, welcome to my barber shop. Are you not like cheering? Why you're supposed to be like cheering, clapping, whooping, like all that stuff? Well, it's too late now. I'm Archer. This is my barber shop. So how's it going? You want to get a haircut? Yeah, that makes sense. What else would you be doing at the barber shop? Okay, so starting off, I'm going to measure your hair, see how long it is, and just do that real quick. So let's see. Okay, let's go. Okay, over here. Okay, maybe up here. All right, and then let's see if we can measure that nose of yours. Let's see. Oh. Ooh. Is that even possible? Anyways, you have a huge nose. I think, are you Pinocchio's long lost brother or something? Okay, yeah, anyways. So, really quickly, I'm just gonna get familiar with your hair, see like what we're working with. So, let's grab this, and let's just brush, brush, brush. Okay, I think we're looking good. Let's start off. What do you mean? What do you mean what this is? This is a mist sprayer. I'm gonna spray your hair. Where did I get it? Oh, yesterday my brother got this for me as a gift. Amazing. So, I was using this as, well, a mist sprayer, and I realized, listen to this. That sounds awesome. So I decided, maybe I should use this in one of the videos. But I love this gift. Roger, if you're watching this, thank you so much. You're a great brother, and thank you for the gift. Okay, now let's get started with spraying your hair. Shake it up. And spray you up. Maybe spray myself up a little bit. Alright, maybe a little more misting. Good job. It's wet and moist. And now, let's get started. Okay, first off, we're just gonna trim a little bit up the top. So let's get your hair ready. Alright, let's get your hair ready. Okay, let's just do some snips real quick. Maybe like and then I don't know. Okay, maybe like this side. This side. Up here. We go here. Here. There. Doop, 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 doop. A lot over here. We need to get up. Okay. Alright, everything's trimmed off. And now, okay. Alright, it's time. We're gonna use this shaver. What do you mean? This is not a remote. This isn't a remote, it's a shaver. Yeah, these buttons, these are just there, and the designer's touch probably, I don't know. But it's not a remote. This is a it's a shaver. your hair still looks like a spaghetti ball. So, let's see, what else can I do here? I've got it. We should dry your hair with a hair dryer. Okay, since there's not enough budget in this video to actually get a hair dryer, or in this shop in general, we're just gonna use a book. We're just gonna this should dry you off a little bit. Okay, you are looking amazing. That is voila, amazing. So hope you don't have to come back here soon, because that would mean you would have bad hair again. Well, see you in the next video.